Welcome to the ultimate Sami Dolls Baby Doll collection. In this video we're making comfy pants for the baby doll. The needed materials are listed here. You'll find the link to the pattern in the video description. We put the pants pieces right sides together and pin them in place. We sew the pants pieces together along the top side edges. We now fold the fabric the other way and pin the inner leg seams. Then we sew the inner leg seams. We do this for both the main and the lining fabric. We turn the lining fabric inside out and put it inside the outer pants, right sides facing. We now fold the waistband piece in half and close the open side edge. Then we fold the fabric in half so that the raw edges align and the right side is on the outside. Next we pin the waistband in between the inner and outer pants so that the raw edges align at the top. You might have to pull the waistband a little to match it up with the pants edge. Make sure to pull it evenly. Then we sew all the way around the top edge, sewing all the layers together. We now turn the pants inside out through one of the leg openings. We turn the bottom raw edges of the legs upwards and inwards for about 1/4 inch and pin them into place. Now we sew all the way around the bottom of the legs as close to the edge as possible. Then we can turn the bottom edges upwards and stitch along the inner leg seams with a few vertical stitches to make sure that the fabric stays in place. And then the pants are done.